Again, you have to take an A4 sheet, draw borders, and then divide your paper or book, okay, into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, like this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then next, on the top, write fruits. Okay. After writing that, we are going to start with a fruit, summer season fruit. Can you tell me what is it? Yes, it's mango. How to draw mango? Easy way how to do it. Okay. Draw a circle. Okay. Then we have learned an S stroke yesterday. Do you remember? An S stroke. Like this. And then rub the left side part. So, did you get a mango? Yes. That just draw again like this and rub it. On the top, a line, then a leaf. Okay, children? Got it? Yeah. The next one, again, so what is this? This is a mango. The next is, you tell me what is it? Draw a circle again. Okay, then rub it here and down. And we practiced yesterday lesser than, greater than, right? Those kind of shapes. So here a V and again inverted V, right? Then the top, just draw a line and a leaf. So what is it? So what is this? It's an apple. Okay. What is it? It's an apple. The next one, all of you like this. And this is also oval shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 oval shapes. After that, 4 minus 1. Yes, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 3 minus 1. 2, 1, 2. And finally, 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is it? Yes, it's grapes. What is it? Grapes. Like this. So what is it? It's grapes. Okay. So the next one is, again draw oval shape like this. Okay. On the top like this, and then slanting line. Yesterday we practiced, right? Slanting line. Then the other way also. So finally it looked like checks. See, so what is this? Pineapple. What is it? Pine apple. Okay, children, understood till here? Then the next one, again draw an oval shape. Then on that, lines like this. Yesterday we did like curved lines, some curved lines. What is it? Yes, water melon. Okay, the next one is, all of you like this, and maybe every day you eat this also. What is this, children? Yes, banana. What is it? Banana. Okay. So again, once we'll have a quick recap what we did. Mango, apple, grape, pineapple, watermelon, and banana. Okay, now let's see how we are going to color this. So again, you can take crayons or color pencils. So I'm taking crayons here. So mango will be in which color? Yellow. Exactly. So give outline first. Then in single direction, you can see, start coloring. As I told you before, it should be in single direction. Fill it completely with yellow color. Okay, children, done? Yes. Drawing it like this. See, on the top we have leaf, right? And the stem also. So do it. Green color. Doing it like this, take a black crayon and give outline. See? Okay? Now next, I'm going to color apple. Again, outline first. Then filling it inside. Single direction, very, very important. Always color in single direction. when you're coloring it, please color it in single direction slowly. It should not come out of the picture whatever you're doing it or whatever you're coloring it. Okay, done. Now take green color again. This time I'm taking dark green. You can take dark green, light green, and color the leaf. Again, take black crayon and give outline. Okay, then the next, grapes. Grapes will be in which color? Like purple or green. So here you're going to give outline for each grape and coloring it inside. Children, give outline for each grape and then fill inside that. Okay, so done. Now you're going to color the stem. Again, the outline first and then filling it inside. Okay, next, pineapple. It will be little brown and ochre shade it will be. So what you are going to do is, here small shading I want to show you. Take brown color. Okay, give outline, then fill it inside yellow color. I'm going to show you how you're going to do this. Outline with brown, then fill inside yellow color. Okay, then you do lines, right? All those lines you can do with brown again. Got it? On the top again green color. Then finally with black give outline, and then here also. Okay, now see the next one, the watermelon. Which color watermelon it will be? Yeah, we'll have two kind of watermelons. One will be in dark green color, the other one will be in light green color. So we are going to take the light green one and give outline, then fill it inside. Okay, then with the dark green, the curved lines are there, right? That you can do with dark green. Okay, then with black give outline. See, Yes. Now finally the bananas. Which color? Give outline. For each banana give outline, then fill it inside. If you see banana, at the end here this part will be black in color, right? So give outline and then fill it inside. Okay, then take a black crayon, give outline again, and as I told you, this end will be black in color. Just do a black dot here. Okay, okay, then in between give this line also black. See? Okay, children, understood? Once again we'll see mango, apple, grapes, pineapple, watermelon, and banana. Okay, now what you can do is all of you have to draw all this, and we wrote names also down. So you can take any color and you can write even the names also with black or whatever color you want. See? Watermelon, and finally banana. And as I told you yesterday, write your name after completing. Just write your name. Okay, children? So your work is to draw all the 6 fruits, color it, and then you can send it to us. Okay? Bye.